Does your bank balance in QuickBooks never seem to match your actual statement? Reconciliation is the monthly ritual that finds discrepancies and locks in your accurate financial position. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Reconciliation is simply comparing your records to the bank's. Start by going to the accounting menu and selecting Reconcile. Choose the account you want to reconcile, like your checking account. Enter the ending date and ending balance directly from your bank statement. QuickBooks will show all the transactions you've recorded for that period. Now, check off each one that appears on your bank statement. The difference at the bottom should reach $0. My crucial pro tip: reconcile monthly without fail. Doing it regularly makes it a quick, 10-minute task. Letting it pile up turns it into a daunting, hours-long detective hunt. If there's a discrepancy, use the Locate Discrepancies report to spot what's off. Often it's a single duplicated or missing transaction. When that difference hits zero, you can confidently close the period, knowing your books are bank verified. Do you reconcile religiously, or does the thought make you sigh? Be honest in the comments. For more peace of mind bookkeeping tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.